Hey guys, welcome back to another Michelle Monday. Today I'll be recreating this blue inner corner look. It is really quick and easy. It is my first time playing with color and I loved it. Let me know what you guys think on my Instagram here. I did post a picture and let's get straight into the video. We're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette and also the James Charles palette to be creating this look today. We are going for a blue inner corner and then smoked out into a brown. Something colorful and different since I always do neutrals every time I go out. I thought it would be really nice to try something new. I'll be going in with faint first. I'm going in windshield wiper motions, and then when I get to the inner corner I'm buffing it up into my eyebrow. With that same brush I'm going into firework, and I'm just going to concentrate that on the outer corner of my lid and just in circular motions. And then now I'm just gonna softly blend that into the crease. And then I'm going into the color SBN with a more tapered blending brush. And I'm going to pack the color on the outer corner there. And you want to leave the center there clear for the blue. And I'm just going to feather that out a little bit. Now we have that color on, I am going to buff it out slightly with a big blending brush. Now for the exciting part, I'm going to put concealer right in the middle of my eyeball and into the inner corner. I'm just patting it lightly. You don't want a lot, but the reason why we're doing this is so the blue can pop more. Now for the fun part, we're going to be using Avis, this color right here. And I'm also going to be layering Hello from the James Charles palette. And I'm pressing onto where I put the concealer. Wow, this color is so pigmented. And now taking a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend out the edges. And now we're going to be layering the color from the James Charles palette. Whoa. Now I'm going back in with MFEO and I'm just going to blend the edges. I've never worn color before, so I'm just looking like, what? And I'm just going to finish off the inner corner with Hello and then the white color from the James Charles palette. I am just going to curl my lashes and put on mascara, and I'll show you the lashes that I'll be using. I just finished my mascara and my eyeliner as well, and this is how the look is looking so far. And for the lashes I'm going to be using Samantha. Wow, like wow, look at the difference. So now that I have both lashes on, I'm going to just press my natural lashes and the falsies together, and I'm literally just pressing it so gently. I am going to line my waterline at the top just with black eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the 24/7 Glide On Pencil by Urban Decay in black. I am just going to finish off the rest of my face with Milani's blush in Luminoso. It's more of a peachy, glowy blush, and I'm just using like tapping motions. I kind of want to do like fake freckles, but I don't know, I'm like a little bit nervous. My eyebrows are itchy, oh my god. And I'll be using Mary Luminizer by The Balm, and I'm going to go in like a U shape like this and then bring it all the way up. So for the lips I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Bombshell and Napoleon de Perdis's Nude. This is the completed look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys. It's my first time actually playing with color. I normally do neutrals. I really enjoyed the look and I hope you guys recreate it. If you guys liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And also follow me on Instagram here. And if you recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see them. And since you're already here, you might as well subscribe. Love you. See you guys.